Would you like to learn an easy and effective way to heal from narcissistic abuse without hours of therapy and expensive tools? Hi, my name is Michele Paradise, and today we're taking a deep dive into the topic that may hit close to home for many of us. Certainly does for me. Narcissistic abuse. It's a form of manipulation and control that can leave deep emotional scars, but fear not, because I'm here to shed some light on a powerful tool that can help us all heal from this trauma, havening techniques. Firstly, let's talk about narcissistic abuse. It's a pattern of behaviors used by someone with narcissistic traits or full-blown narcissistic personality disorder to manipulate, control, and dominate their victims. This can occur in various settings, such as a romantic relationship, families, friendships, or even in the workplace. That's a big one. I've experienced that one myself. The effects of narcissistic abuse that is just so severe and long-lasting is probably one of the worst to recover from. Victims often experience anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, and a distorted sense of reality due to the constant gaslighting and manipulation they endure. It can feel like a never-ending cycle of emotional turmoil, leaving individuals feeling lost and powerless. I certainly did. But there is hope. Havening techniques, a powerful psychosensory therapy that helps individuals heal from emotional trauma, including the effects of narcissistic abuse. It was developed by Dr. Ronald Rudin, who trained me in the methodology. And I've been a havening practitioner for the past 10 years. I see people in person where I facilitate it physically or online. Havening techniques focuses on creating delta waves in the brain through gentle touch, thereby rewiring the neural pathways associated with traumatic memories, because delta waves are a deep sleep and healing state, and we can heal from the memories and emotions from the trauma. Now, you may be wondering, how exactly does havening work? It can't be that simple, can it? Well, it involves a three-step process: activation of the thought, the memory, distraction, and deactivation. During activation, a practitioner guides the individual to recall a distressing memory or emotion associated with the narcissistic abuse, and I'm sure there will be many, while applying gentle, rhythmic touch on the arms, on the face, and the hands. This touch serves as a distraction, helping the individual to reprocess the memory in a safe and controlled environment. Finally, deactivation occurs as the distressing emotions are released, and the individual experiences a sense of calm and resolution. So, havening is actually the transitive verb for the word haven, and haven means safe place. So what this allows us to do is feel that we are, or perceive that we're in a safe place while we activate the emotions attached to the narcissistic abuse. And then when we apply the havening touch, which I'm going to demonstrate in a moment, and you're welcome to follow me, please follow me, we can downregulate the painful emotions from that memory. So to truly understand the power of havening techniques, I will now demonstrate a simple exercise that you can try at home. So I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath. And gently stroke your arms in a soothing manner in this way, out and around. As you do this, think of a memory or emotion related to your experience of narcissistic abuse. Notice how the touch helps you feel more grounded and present in the moment. That's it. You're doing great. Allow yourself to acknowledge the emotions that arise. They may be anger, sadness, and let them dissipate as you continue the gentle stroking motion. That's it. By incorporating havening touch into your healing journey, you can reclaim your power and release the burdens of narcissistic abuse and pave the way for a brighter, more empowered future. Remember, healing is a process and it's okay to seek support along the way. But I'd like you to teach, in this moment, I'd like to teach you a great affirmation that you can attach to the havening touch, okay? So remember, you can do the face. You can do it like this, or you can just stroke the third eye if you wish. It's shoulders to elbows in a circular motion. And as you're doing it to yourself, you can go all the way down to your fingertips, okay? Now, the fingers and the hands are great because you can covertly haven when you're not feeling safe. So, for example, you're sitting at a table and you're not feeling safe, and it's not a glass table, so your hands can't be seen. And under the table, you can just gently haven like this. Or sometimes I've seen people haven and not realize they're havening. So they may be sitting like this at a table and they just begin to move their hands back and forth. Or they might just do it free-flowing. They might just be sitting there, which is why we know these are the three most powerful places for our delta waves. Because, when people are upset, they frequently put their face in their hands, or they stroke their hair, or they fiddle with their face some way. We also know in psychiatric wards, you'll see very, very traumatized people hug themselves and rock. Even children do this sometimes when they're having a temper tantrum or after a temper tantrum. You see that. And the other thing we do is we play with our hands. Some people pull their knuckles. Some people wring their hands. Their hands perspire. They're very obviously in distress. So that's why these three places are the best places to go to release delta waves. So here we go. Let's take a nice deep breath together. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Think about that distressing thought and get all of the emotions coming up. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to repeat with me this affirmation. I am worthy of love and safety. Because most of us in narcissistic relationships don't feel worthy of love. So choose the place that you're going to haven and just say after me, I am worthy of love and safety. 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 Now, I really encourage you after watching this video to do that on your own. Now, the reason I bring up safety, havening obviously creates a safe space. And also, so many of us believe that in relationship, we're looking for love and happiness. But I'm here to tell you that love and happiness cannot exist without safety. So we need to feel safe before love can grow, before happiness can grow. And if you are not feeling safe and you want to haven, I suggest you take yourself to the safest place you can. Go to your car, go to the bathroom, take a walk around the block, do something just to remove you from that unsafe environment, if only for 5 minutes, and sit in that car and do, I am worthy of love and safety. Nice and gentle, very gentle strokes on the face like butterfly kisses. That's it. I am worthy of love and safety. Now, if you're really overwhelmed and your prefrontal cortex is flipped and you're offline and you can't remember any of this, remember this one affirmation, please. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. What we're doing is you may not feel safe in that moment, but we're changing the neural pathway of the brain. We're using the neuroplasticity of the brain to really get us to focus on the fact that we can be safe. Okay? Safety is a choice. It's an option. So you're going to say, I am safe. We call this psychological first aid because when everything else goes out the window and you can't remember anything, just remember this. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. It will bring your prefrontal cortex back online. It will downregulate the emotions and you will begin to have a feeling of peace and calm, I promise you. So I really urge you to explore havening techniques further, whether through professional therapy or self-practice. And you can do self-practice immediately after this. Witness the transformative impact it can have on your emotional well-being. Together, we can break free from the chains of narcissistic abuse. I know I'm on my healing journey. And we can step into a life filled with healing, resilience, and self-love. Now, I have many, many videos on my YouTube channel, which is where you are now, I hope, and you can look at them. You can follow them. They're there. They're free. I have one that is a 10 minutes, very quick 10 minutes healing haven journey from an event. And I've had many people watch it and write to me and say it changed their life. It really got them into a safe place. And what you're doing is you're interfering with the pattern that you're running. So it's called a pattern interrupt, and you're really interfering with that. I also have many, many videos on narcissism, and I will recommend one of those, the 4 Needs of a Narcissist. That'll really crystallize your mind and focus your mind on what you possibly are giving the narcissist, not on purpose, not intentionally, involuntarily, and why they are staying in a relationship with you. And once you have the awareness of that, you can stop offering those things to them, and they will lose interest and they will move on, and you will begin to set yourself free on your healing journey from this narcissistic abuse. So thank you for joining me on this journey of empowerment and healing. Remember, you are worthy of love and safety. You're worthy of a life free from abuse, and you have the strength within you to rise above the challenges you face. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and never underestimate the power of your own healing journey. So until next time, take care, stay safe. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching.